Hi guys, today I want to talk about three things that actually matter if you're serious about learning a language. Now, I'm not a teacher. I didn't go to school for this. I didn't grow up speaking English. I learned it by myself. No tutor, no fancy program, just me, my time and a system that actually worked. And after years of trying stuff that didn't work, getting frustrated, wasting time, and almost quitting, I figured out what does work. So if you're learning a language or trying to, listen up. This might save you years. Number one, the right material. This is everything. Most people fail here. They think they need more books, more apps, more YouTube channels. Wrong. They don't need more. They need better. They need to choose the one thing that actually fits them and go deep. Here's how I explain it. Imagine you know where you want to go, you've got the map, you've got the route, but now you have to choose how you're gonna get there. You could take a bike, or you could walk, or you could drive a car. The material you choose is your vehicle. Choose the wrong one, you're gonna crawl there, if you even make it. But if you choose the right one, you fly. For me, I knew I loved reading, so when I was preparing for IELTS, I didn't try to do a million things. I stuck with reading, audiobooks, practice tests. That was my path. And it worked because I leaned into what I already liked. If you love cooking, learn English through recipes. If you love gaming, learn through games. Stop trying to force yourself into boring textbooks if they don't work for you. Pick what fits, stick with it, go deep, that's how you move. Number two, time. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Learning languages take time. And I don't mean 2 weeks, I mean months, maybe years. But people quit too early because they're expecting fast results. Let me tell you something, language isn't just knowledge, it's skill. And skill takes reps. You don't learn to speak by studying words, you learn to speak by using them over and over until your brain just gets it. There's were a day I felt like I was getting nowhere. Starting every day, no results. But I kept going. Why? Because I knew something most people don't. Just because you don't see the progress doesn't mean it's not happening. Language is a subconscious game. You don't always feel it growing, but it is. You keep feeding your brain, keep showing up, and one day it clicks. You just have to give it time. Some people might say learning English is easy. It is. But it is not because they are geniuses. It is because they figured out the system that works for them. They enjoyed it. They do it consistently. That's it. There's no secret. Number three, use what you learn. This is where most people get stuck. They read, they memorize, they write down 100 of new words, and then they do nothing with them. Let me make it simple. If you learn something and don't use it, you lose it. Period. Language only becomes real when you start using it. I don't care if you're talking to yourself in the mirror, writing a sentence in the journal, or sending voice notes to your dog. Use it right now. Every time you finish studying, ask yourself, what did I learn just now? Got a word? A phrase? A sentence? Good. Say it. Use it in real life. That's how it sticks. I didn't have native speaker around me when I was learning English. I practiced alone. I talked to myself. I repeated things out loud. That's how I built fluency. Not by reading, by doing. So here's a summary. The first one is picking the right material and stick to it. Second, respect the process. It takes time. And third, use what you learn immediately. If you just do those three things consistently, you win. Not today, not tomorrow, but eventually, you wake up and realize, damn, I can actually speak this language now. And when the day comes, you're glad you didn't quit. Thanks. See you in the next episode.